One tip to help you know how to maintain car headlights. As you use your car for a long time, the headlights will turn yellows, oxidize, bluish, scratch, and other symptoms. Many people will change their headlights or do not change them, which may result in no safety guarantee for driving at night. Here we have a good way to teach you to keep your headlights clean. First of all, the tools needed to complete this work are inches cup, headlight restoration liquid, adhesive tape, watering can, towel, max, and 5 cent papers. 180 and 300 Chinese, and 600, 1000, and 1500 models. Step 1 is to take the array around the headlights to protect them. Then, if the headlamps is damaged or the lamp quality is relatively hard, start with 180 models. If the symptoms is nice, start with 320 models. Then wash and cross polish with 320 to 600 to 1000 and to 1500 water in turn, and evenly polish once. Remember to avoid loopholes and rework. After polishing, clean the headlamp surface with the clean water and towels. And the last step, pour more than half of the restoration liquid into the cup, and then heat the liquid medicine in the cup for about 8 to 10 minutes, and then discharge the steam. Power on the middle fumigation lamp and immediately unpack the power supply after fumigations. Finally, a new headlight appears in front of you. No more car tips, please follow Tao Cheese.